Yes and no. Even if you know that it is predestined, what are you going to do? And when you say predestined, it is predestined with your willpower. That nature has given you the free will. Because as long as I am thinking that I have a free will to choose, are you not choosing when you were given the food today? Have you not chosen which is better for you? That means it is not predestined. You are making your choice for your food. As long as I am thinking that I have a free will and I have the choice, saying that it is predestined has no meaning. You are making your choice. You make it, you understand it as predestined or so, although that word we will not use. Only when you realize the truth, you find that this body is part of the nature and the three gunas are playing in this body, mind, personality. I am only an observer. That is not predestined, because all these terms have come from an egoistic observation. In that case, when you are seeing that nature's work, the body is also a product of nature. The three gunas are functioning through the body. That body, mind, personality has a free will also to choose every time. So it will make its own choices, but that also is part of the nature. In that sense, it is predestined. That free will also is working as a force of nature. So for normal life, we need not think of the fate or predestined or anything at all. As long as we have the free will to choose, life will be run by our free will. Kathopanishad says in the second chapter, Shreyascha preyascha manushyametah, that in every moment of our life, nature is coming to us with two baskets. What are the two baskets? One is Shreyas and one is Preyas. Preyas means what is immediately pleasant, which we prefer always. And Shreyas means which may not be immediately pleasant, might be immediately a little difficult also, but which will take me to the ultimate auspicious goal of fulfillment and ultimate liberation, or whatever you may say. So, in each moment, we have to decide whether I will take the prayas or shreyas. So, Kathopanishad says that there are people who are called dhiraha, wise people, who will examine the situation, look into the aspects, various aspects of it, and they will choose always the shreyas in preference to prayas. Just the promotion story I told, it is like that only. You analyze the situation and choose by what your mind will be more stable, stronger, and it will lead to goodness or so. Otherwise, you can select the prayers and get drawn by that only. So the choice, what I want to emphasize here is the choice is left to us. The Upanishad is saying it is for the man to choose. So there are wise people who will choose the shreyas in preference to the prayers. And there are mudhas also. There are dull people also who will always choose the prayers. And why should they choose the prayers? Because they are always interested in having more and more possession. Whatever they possess, they want to keep it for them, and they want to add more and more to that. So they will choose the prayers. One boy had stayed in the ashram for about a month. So every day Swamiji used to tell him some stories. So one day he had questioned something. In reply, Swamiji said that, okay, suppose you are walking on the street and two people are running behind you with a block of gold. And when they come near you, they give you the gold. Will you accept? Yes, I will accept. Why not? It is gold. And okay, you have accepted. Behind him, the police people were running, so they find the gold with you, they catch hold of you and put you into the prison. No, then I will not accept. So the dhira will think that why should I accept gold? I don't know these people. They are unknown to me. Why should they give me the gold? They are running with gold means they are interested in gold. Why should they give me the gold? There must be something wrong in it. They will think that. And they will say that, no, I don't deserve the gold at all. Why should I accept? You will not accept. Whereas the mood has, what will they do? Oh, it is gold, I will accept. And you follow the consequence, whatever happens after that.